And did you know that you can create your own Wordle app using the Google Gemini, even if you do not know the coding? And that's what we are going to learn in this tutorial. I have made this app a few days back, and then now I will show you how can you also do the same. So to create your own Wordle game, you can open the Gemini in your favorite browser and then click on these tools and select Canvas. And here we will talk to the Gemini and we will ask Gemini to create the Wordle game. So I'm just going to give it a prompt. Okay, create a Wordle game. Make sure that the GUI is same as that of the famous game available online. But I would like you to have 100 words as a database. All should be 5 letters, and the difficulty level should be easy to medium. Mostly use the ask for the words that are used in normal conversation. So it is not difficult for anyone to guess. However, don't make the words too obvious that the people lose interest in the game. So I have given this prompt, and now we are going to click enter and we'll see that what the Google Gemini does. So what Google Gemini will do is that it is going to create a code, right? But you don't need to worry about this code. I'm also not familiar with the coding. It is going to give you a preview like as it is giving now. Now, what you can do is that in order to test that whether it is working or not, or is there any issue with our game, we can just go and click share and then click onto the share button. And once this link is generated, you just need to click the link and it will open the game in a new window. So we'll wait for the Wordle game to open up in a new window. If you have ever played the Wordle game, you would know that it has generated almost the perfect GUI, including the keyboard. So let me try that whether it is working okay or not. So you know that once this yellow color appears once the letter is there in the word, but it is not at the right place. So it means that the D is there. I'm going to try one more. So E is also there. Now we have around 4 letters and one is at the right place. So let's guess. I think the word must be starting with the letter D. Deputy, is there a word like this? Oh, great. We have guessed the first 4 letters and we just need to guess the last letter. D-E-P-T-Y. I think it should be Y. D-E-P-T-Y. No, it's not Y. So we are left with last chance. We have just have to see this Q-W-F. I don't think so. F-E-T-H. Depth. Yes, it is depth. I'm sorry for that to make you wait. So you can see that the Gemini has created the perfect Wordle game. Now you can play this game, and the interesting thing is that since it is a code, you can if you have a website, you can just embed that code. It is an HTML code into your website, and it will be it will run within your website. But you can make money with this also by creating it is a standalone digital product. Let me tell you how. So I am going to select all, Control C, I'm going to copy it and I will open up a notepad, paste the code here, then go and save as the file. I'm going to press desktop, and since our Wordle game is already on the desktop, so there's a catch in giving a name. So here, let's say we give this Wordle part 2, and if it is a text file here, which most likely will be, you need to select it all files. I am not sure whether if you select text file, what will happen, but just to be sure, make it select all files. And then at the end, add the extension .html, right? And then we are going to save it. Hopefully the file is saved. You see, this is Wordle part 2. And now you can see that it is working. So I can even switch off the internet also, and still you will find that it will be working fine. So last time this game gave us a word depth. This time it is giving us a different word in which ARDO is there. So let's try ROAD as roads. So we have guessed the 2 letters correctly. let's test BOATS boats. Okay, BOA. Let's try BOAXY boxing. I don't know what this word is. Let's this time intentionally lose this game so that we should find out whether this Wordle game gives us the correct answer or not. So I'm just going to type bold. BOALT, bold. It was bold, so it has given us the correct word also. You can see that this is now a standalone file. So now you can sell this file as a digital product onto the stores like Etsy and the Spring and Spreadshot. And by the way, if you want to buy this game from me, I will upload it onto my digital store and I'll give the link in the description. You can buy it for fun also. You can buy it to support the channel also. And you can buy it to play once the internet is not available in any place or where you cannot switch on the internet. In any case, thanks for watching.